Hey Mark, hope you're doing well today. My name is John Kirkpatrick with To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, Texas. And Laura said that you were the one that was going to be watching this and to send it over to you. So I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you find it informative. I know what you might be asking yourself, why am I doing this? What's in it for me? Well, I do SEO and I found that the easiest way to get customers is not by trying to talk a bunch of jargon with people, but just show them exactly what it takes to rank a website. So I give you everything that you need to do to start beating your competition and get more customers in the door. And if you need help with any of it, or if it sounds interesting, or if you want me to put together a plan for you for free just to kind of show you what it would take to start beating them, I'll be happy to do that. So I want to go over 3 quick things with you in your website today, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So this is your homepage here. Just want to say whoever put it together did a good job. It's a pretty looking site. I would just say that it's lacking some content. Now, content is everything that you can highlight on your homepage or any page of your website, even down to what your pictures are saved as. So if you right-click on an image and tell it to save as, see it's saved as Texas flag. You want to come in here and save every single picture on your website as something you want to be found for. So you want this picture to be HVAC installation Arlington. And your headings, like HVAC installation, that's a good heading, but Google likes it to be very targeted when you're putting content on your site. So this needs to be, we provide HVAC installation Arlington residents can trust. Something of that nature, so it's got an exact match keyword of something somebody searches for. Because yes, I'm sure HVAC installation is searched, but you don't want to be found for HVAC installation in Montana. Like, you want to be found locally where you can actually provide service. So I'd come through here, just add more words. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your site, and that really helps you be able to work things in naturally. So this heading here, I would have it be, we provide AC repair Arlington, Texas residents love or trust, something of that nature, so it's natural, but it's got an exact match of what people are searching for. And that's why keyword research is really important too. Find out what people are actually searching for in Arlington. So that's my tip on content. If you come over here and look at one of your competitors, tomsmechanical.com, you can see how much content they have on their website. They've got, a heading here with some text in it, a heading here with some text in it. And this is what I'm talking about, HVAC in Arlington, Texas. So they've got an exact match of what people are searching for, and that's going to help them get pulled up first, because when somebody searches HVAC in Arlington, Google can say, well, oh, here's a website that has a heading, HVAC in Arlington, and that's all they talk about is HVAC in Arlington. That helps you get found. So that's my tips on content. Second is citations. So this is, I've just searched HVAC Arlington here. You've got your ads up here at the top. Then you have your Google Map Pack section, or the Google My Business section right here in the maps. And then you've got organic results underneath it. So you can see Tom's Mechanical is ranking number 1. I'll kind of show you what that's getting them in terms of traffic here in a second. But then here is the Map Pack section. Now here you are, Beco Air and Heat. So you're actually doing a fairly good job to be able to rank in this top 3, and that definitely gets you a lot of business. But if you want to start ranking in different areas, like if somebody searches, Dalworthington Gardens, HVAC, or searches a different area, I'm in Burleson, so this might be showing me a different results than it would for somebody that actually lived in Arlington. But continue to get reviews. These 42 5-star reviews, that's awesome. Have something that's $10 off your service call if you, leave a review, your next service call, something of that nature. And, just get 1 or 2 a week, and then think about in a year, you'll have an extra 50 or 100. In a couple of years, you'll be beating these top ones for the reviews. And also, the most important thing you can do, though, to improve your Google My Business is to add citations. Now, citation is just your business name, exactly as it's listed here, your business address, and your business phone number. Make sure they all match and list them throughout different places in the web. So think about Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book. Those are the big ones, but there's literally thousands of directories. Just go get in as many directories as you possibly can. Even your Facebook page counts, of just having your name, address, phone number counts as a citation. So let's go back here real quick and look at your backlinks. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. I highly recommend getting this tool. It's about $100 a month if you're planning on doing this yourself and adding backlinks. So you've got 416 backlinks coming from 42 different referring domains, or just different websites. You're being found for 61 organic keywords, but it's not driving any traffic to your website. So let me show you what Tom's Mechanical is doing. This is just their homepage, by the way. They're getting 183 people clicking on their website a month. They're being found for 119 organic keywords. They've got links coming from over 100 different websites, with giving them 1.6 thousand backlinks. So if you want to beat them, I would just come in here and click on whatever referring domains that they have and just go get those same ones. So if they have 103, go out and get 150, to your homepage, or 110, 120. Just beat them by a little bit. And when you get the links that they have, they've already done their research and they're powerful backlinks, so they're links that you want to get. So that's kind of my tips there for backlinks. And then we talked about citations. And then first of all, we had talked about content. So that was just kind of a general overview of your site and what it takes to start out ranking them. Definitely add more content to your site, get some more citations, and go copy your competitors' backlinks. And that will help you start beating them and start ranking higher on Google. So I hope you found this informative. If I can help in any way, or if you just have any questions, don't hesitate to call or reach back out in the email that this comes through. Thank you so much, Mark. I hope you have a blessed day.